My interest in mechanics started with siblings. Dad's got a hobby and the three of us boys just took after that. One of them started working in a shed with a few mates. They had a few project cars. Dad did painting of cars every now and then, so it was just in the family a bit. I'm Jeremy, I'm in grade 12. I'm one of the prefects here at TCC and I have a mechanics apprenticeship.
I'm Phil Keeble, I'm the owner of Bothwell Motors. We're a mechanical workshop, family-based business that's been here since 1960. So we first met Jeremy. I was sitting at Highfields Chamber of Commerce careers evening with his dad, Richard. We worked out that he could come and have a work experience and it's just progressed from there. He's really one of the boys. His willingness to learn. Is he standing behind me, not listening to me? He's a great kid and we're happy to have him.
I liked the work experience, then went to TAFE for year 11, did another week of work experience and then was pretty set on doing a school-based from there for grade 12. I'd say the role that TCC played was the assistance with getting the apprenticeship. There was a lot of help with paperwork, there was advice with how to do things. There's been a lot of backup from teachers here at school and just in general.
The values that the school instills in them is a really good thing, even for the confidence that it gives the kids to be moving forward. It's the grounding that they have, the honesty that they've got. Then you can teach them, you can be involved with them, whether it be their work life, their social life. That's the values that we look for.
I know that if I tried to do it by myself, there would be struggles, but knowing that there is a careers teacher here that helps get through all that and has done that before, it's nice to know there's the security behind that. I'd say finishing grade 12 is important with this because I get the opportunity to finish school as a whole. I get my full lot of education. Everybody is wanting me to succeed no matter where I am, whether it is here at school or at work.